You got it. You got it, Hunter.
The first time.
Is it slimy?
Kiddozania!
Hey Hunter, where are we?
We're in Ripley's Aquarium of Canada to see some sea creatures and sea animals. Let's go, Kiddozanians! Guys, look at the earth. Look at the earth up there.
Yeah, so big. Hey Hunter, look. What are those fishes?
Yeah. The yellowfish are angelfish.
Whoa, nice.
Look at the humpback whale. Look at the humpback whale.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's the skeleton of the humpback whale.
Dad, look at the school of fish over there.
Oh yeah, that is cool. Oh, there's a playground down there. Maybe we can play there later.
Look at the fossilized bones of the mosasaur.
Oh yeah, Hunter, that's awesome. Mosasaur. Wow, Hunter, look at this school of fish.
Those fish are called herrings.
Wow, that is fantastic. Oh, they're shiny. Wow.
Look, a sturgeon. Look at this big sturgeon.
Whoa.
A spotted gar. These are freshwater fish.
Yeah, nice.
This is called a halibut, also known as a flatfish.
Interesting. Oh, Hunter, what are those?
Those are called orange sea pits.
Amazing.
An octopus.
Oh, a starfish.
And there's an octopus too.
Where? Oh, yeah. Hold this. What's in here?
This is a lobster.
Wow. Wow, look at that huge fish tank.
Look, it's the narwhal.
Oh yeah, it's the skeleton head and the tusk of a narwhal. Oh, a rockfish.
Look, there's so many sea anemones.
Oh, they're beautiful. They're so colorful.
Look, it's the oldest shark in the world, the Greenland shark.
Oh, that is so cool.
These are Alaskan king crabs.
Alaskan king crabs?
Look at their long legs.
King crabs. Look, Hunter.
Whoa.
This tank is huge. Oh, where are we going next?
The rainbow reef.
Wow, there are a lot of fish.
Look, look.
Wow, there are many fish in this tank.
Look at that fish up there. It's shaped like a diamond.
Just look at this tank. It's full of wonderful fish.
Look up there, it's a shark.
Oh yeah, it's a shark.
That shark is called the lemon shark.
Hunter, look, we're moving.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. What is that, Hunter?
It's a sea turtle.
Yeah, it's a sea turtle. Nice.
That type of sea turtle is called the green sea turtle.
Gonna get busy.
Look, Dad, a sawfish.
Oh yeah, that is amazing. Wow, sawfish. Look, another shark.
Look, there's another shark over there. It's called the sand tiger shark.
Whoa, that sawfish is huge, Hunter. Oh, we have another one.
Look, there's another shark over there.
Oh look, it's a stingray. Hunter, what is that?
It's a giant grouper.
Oh look, Hunter, she's cleaning the tank.
Zebra shark, zebra.
Hold this.
Wow, there's a white tip shark.
Hunter, here. Look here. Look. Oh, a submarine. Look at those bubbles.
Oh yeah, wow.
Wow. There are so many clownfish over here. Whoa, a lionfish.
Oh look, it's Dory and Nemo.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Pufferfish. Ah, I feel it.
Where's the eel? Oh, there.
That is an electric eel. These are seahorses.
Gonna get dizzy.
Wow, they're so beautiful.
Weedy sea dragons.
Oh, they look like seaweeds.
These fish are called archer fish. They can squirt the water to catch their prey. These are pythons. There's one up there.
Oh yeah, I see it. Whoa, that's so big.
It's a megalania. Alligators.
Look, Hunter, what kind of fish are these?
Piranhas.
Hold this.
Hey Hunter, what are those?
These are freshwater stingrays. Cownose rays.
Oh look, someone's cleaning the tank. Oh, I think it likes you, Hunter. Jellyfish! Colors are amazing. Look, more jellyfish. Look, Hunter. This is where they maintain the temperature and clean the water. It's the aquarium life support system.
Oh, that's so interesting. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right there. That's an axolotl.
Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like an alien.